What is this sign called? No buses over 80 passengers seats. This sign is called no buses with over 80 passengers seats, or buses with over 80 passengers are prohibited. What is this sign called? No overtaking. This sign is called no overtaking, or it means overtaking on right side is prohibited or is not allowed. What is this sign called? No towed caravans. This sign is called no towed caravans, or this sign indicates that towed caravans are not allowed or prohibited on this sign. Before proceeding, let me remind you to subscribe or to hit subscription button, like, share and leave a comment if you want to continue to get more videos about these reasons. What is this sign called? No vehicles carrying explosives. This sign is called no vehicles carrying explosives, or it means it is not allowed for vehicles carrying explosives. What is this sign called? No vehicles or combination of vehicles of a length shown. This sign indicates that there is no vehicles or combination of vehicles of a length shown.